COVID-19 has had a significant impact on the beauty and wellness industry in India, which employs over 70 lakh professionals. The healthcare concerns and the subsequent lockdown has meant a total halt in daily operations. As a result, the $5 billion industry has suffered immense losses. Nearly 2/3 of the workforce in beauty and wellness consists of young women from lower income groups. The nature of their involvement ranges from working in a salon to the slimming and rejuvenation sub-segments, or owning a small salon of their own as solo entrepreneurs. Makeup artists and independent professionals have been the worst hit. 30% of them have had to shut their businesses permanently. Therefore, this crisis has disproportionately impacted women financially and socially. Even as we unlock the economy, customers are wary of engaging with salons due to the high level of human interaction required during these services. As a result, women's incomes continue to remain negligible, and their savings have been nearly depleted.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಿಂದ ಈ ಕರೋನಾಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಐಟಮ್ಸು ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ನಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರೇನಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ನಡೆಯೋದು, ಮನೆಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
In line with our shared value approach to corporate social responsibility, Godrej Consumer Products has run Salonai, our flagship beauty skills training program, for the past 8 years. Through this program, we aim to provide young women with the technical skills and business management know-how in order to run and grow their salon businesses. We've worked with over 2.5 lakh women across the country. In the wake of COVID, we joined the Revive Alliance to support some of these women to get back on their feet. Through Revive's returnable grant, we aim at providing 700 beautypreneurs with the working capital that they need to purchase equipment, supplies, consumables, and so on.
ನಮಗೆ ಗೋದ್ರೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ಅವಾಗ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಲೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ₹3 ₹5 ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Through this program, we aim to help these women restart their businesses and ensure that the new normal is in fact a better normal for them.